In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Outbrain reports. If you've ever opened your Outbrain DSP dashboard and wondered what all those numbers really mean, this walkthrough will help you read them with confidence and understand how they connect to performance. When you open a report, start with impressions. This tells you how many times your ads were shown to users. Think of impressions as visibility. A rise in impressions usually means broader reach, often driven by higher budgets, wider targeting, or strong creative eligibility. Keep in mind, high impressions alone don't guarantee results. They're simply the volume of opportunities your ad had to be seen. Next, look at clicks. Clicks show how many people were interested enough to engage with your ad. If you see strong impressions but few clicks, your audience might not be a great match, or your headline and image may not be compelling enough. This naturally leads to click-through rate, or CTR, which is clicks divided by impressions, multiplied by 100. CTR gives you a quick read on how efficiently your ad turns views into visits. Use this to gauge the relevance and quality of your creative and targeting. A higher CTR typically means your message is resonating. Then review your cost and spend metrics. Spend is simply the total amount your campaign has used so far. From there, check cost per click, or CPC, which is spend divided by clicks. CPC tells you what you're paying for each visit to your site. Lower CPC is generally better, but always weigh it against the quality of traffic and downstream results. If brand reach is your goal, you'll care about CPM, or cost per thousand impressions. CPM helps you understand how efficiently you're buying visibility at scale, which is useful when awareness is the priority. If you've set up the Outbrain pixel, you'll also see conversion metrics. Conversions are the actions you want users to take, like a purchase or sign-up. Conversion rate is conversions divided by clicks multiplied by 100. This shows how well your landing page and offer are turning visitors into outcomes. A higher conversion rate often points to strong message match and a smooth post-click experience. Finally, check CPA, or cost per acquisition, which is spend divided by conversions. CPA tells you what each conversion actually costs. Compare it to your target to understand profitability and efficiency over time. Put together, these metrics tell a story. Impressions create opportunity. Clicks show interest. CTR signals relevance. Spend and CPC reveal cost efficiency. CPM reflects reach, and conversions, conversion rate, and CPA show real business impact. Use them side by side to evaluate performance with clarity.